when you get this cabinet out of boxes, don't get too worked up about all the different parts that you're going to have. Okay? Just get them all out, sort them all. And the main thing is you're going to want to read these directions and just start with step 1, step 2, step 3. Don't think you're a He-Man and think, oh, I know how to do this. I've done these enough before. I don't need any stinking directions. Yes, you will need the directions. Okay? Every cabinet is different. And you've got to look at it and make some sort of decisions as to what you're going to do, because this one was set up for the door to be on the right, but I want the door on the left, the door handle on the left. Okay, and so you've got to look at stuff, look at the edges to make sure you've got the finished edge. Because see on this, there's no finished edge on this, but you lift it up and son of a gun, here's a finished edge here, and this side here is finished. So take a look at all of your stuff, line it all up, then you might think, oh, one of these is not the same, I got to flip it around, and just spend some little bit of time. It's really not that difficult once you get going on doing it. And how many cabinets like this do I put together? Not that many. But I just get the directions out, I look at everything, I look at the pictures, and I figure it all out. And step by step, you can do it. So I'm going to keep working on this, and hopefully we'll have a cabinet here pretty quick. Yeah. Now this video is not how to install or how to put together a closet-made shelf cabinet, because there are so many different types and different designs. Basically, I just wanted to let you know, read your directions and set it all out, put it together, and I know you can do it. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.